Epidemics. Epidemics is defined as the state of. Epidemics is defined as unusual occurrence. Okay, unusual occurrence of specific, like unusual occurrence of a disease, specific health related events, like our traffic accident, road traffic accident, or health related, like our health related like events and behaviors like smoking, clearly in excess of its natural occurrence, okay. This is epidemics. So for to tell epidemics, there should be unusual occurrence, okay, of disease, health related events, or behavior in excess of its natural occurrence. In the other hand, there is outbreak. Outbreak means like it is the similar to epidemics, but it is in a small place, okay. This is called outbreak, okay. And what are the objectives? Our objectives of epidemics are, first of all, we have to like define the magnitude of epidemics in terms of time, place, and person, okay. Magnitude of epidemics. And then next is to determine the source of infection, okay. Source, mode of transmission, okay. And then source, mode of transmission, and like our cause of it, okay. And if we determine this, we can like know the preventive measures, okay. And then third is to make the recommendation, to prevent its reoccurrence, okay. So the objective of epidemics, the objective of study, okay, investigation of the epidemics is to define the magnitude. We have to define the magnitude, and next is to define the source, mode of transmission, and the cause for the epidemics, so that we can like determine the necessary control measures, okay. Control measure for controlling the epidemics. The next is to make the recommendation, to prevent the further occurrence, okay. So these are the objectives. Now how do we do like investigation, okay, investigation of in our epidemics? There are certain steps for this. Like first of all, we have to do verification of our diagnosis. For example, let us suppose there is a rumor, there is the case of diarrhea is increased in certain like city, okay. Someone told us there is the increase in the incidence of the cases of diarrhea has increased recently. So first of all, we have to verify this diagnosis, whether it is a diarrhea or not. And then this verification we can do by our clinical examination, investigation, and by this we have to do verification of the diagnosis. And then next is confirm the epidemics, okay. How do we confirm it is epidemics or no? So we go back to the records of the previous year, okay. If this is a record of 2017, go to the record of our 2016, and we know how many cases of diarrhea were there. So for example, if there were 200 cases and now there is only 300 cases, then that is not epidemics, okay. If the total now in 2017 there is epidemics, so there should be unusual occurrence. Okay, unusual occurrence of these epidemics. So these cases, in like, if there is 1,000 cases, then there is epidemics. Now we have confirmed the diagnosis, and then the third is, after verification, confirmation, we determine the population at risk. Okay, population at risk, population at the risk. Like this city is at population, so we have to we determine this by our map. We ask the survey people, like people of the locality, to like get to give us a map. Okay, map. From this we can know the population risks. Okay, and then what we do after this population at risk, we go there and rapid search of the cases. We do rapid search of cases by medical survey. Okay, epidemiological data we collect. Epidemiological data we have to collect. Okay, by this we do the rapid search of the cases. Okay, and then what we do is, after this we do the data analysis. Okay, data analysis we'll do, and then after this data analysis we do our, in terms of data analysis, in terms of time, place, person, we do data analysis, and then after this we do like we like formulate the hypothesis. Okay, formulate the hypothesis, like putting the causes, or what is the cause, what is the source of infection, like, and what is the mode of transmission. By all these things we do like hypothesis. Okay, and then we formulate a hypothesis, and then what we do, like, for example, in this city to tell, like, there is epidemic. In this rapid source of the cases, we have done medical survey. In this medical survey we can, like, we find out if this diarrhea, what is the cause of diarrhea, like E. coli, from where that E. coli has come. Like there can be like some person, like some child might have gone there and defecated over there, and defecated in nearby, like our this river, and this from the fishes. Okay, flies might have taken this, the E. coli from the fishes to the river, and downstream here the people might have taken this water. Okay, so like the fishes is there, flies are there responsible for that. E. coli has gone to the other people, might have caused diarrhea. So by all these things we formulate a hypothesis. And then we test that hypothesis. Like we we test this hypothesis to the to other city. Okay, other city, the people is not suffering from diarrhea because they have not consumed this water, the contaminated water. And then after this testing of hypothesis, we do like evaluation of ecological factor. Like we do evaluation of ecological factor. What type of ecological factor is responsible for this? Okay, and then what we do is further investigation of population risk. Okay, further investigation of population at risk by like exposed to specific potential vehicle, the population which are exposed to this specific like vehicle. Okay, population at risk. And then we do, finally we write a complete and convincing report. Okay, in this we write all the things which we have gathered. Thank you. कति भयो? अगाडिको त काट्नु पर्छ, लास्टमा काट्नु पर्छ कि के भन्नु?